Hello, hello, and welcome to day 22 of the challenge, guys. I said 22. Can you believe it? This month is flying by. So, day's 22 tip is swapping out our choices. So, we may want something sweet, and that might normally be a piece of cake. Can we swap it out for some fruit, some fresh fruit, right? Can you bake the fresh fruit? Maybe if you like apple pie, let's do a swap. Have some apples with some cinnamon, pop it in the oven, okay? Just an alternative to all of the calories or the extra fat. How about our chip selection? Okay, before we get to the chips, let's go back. I'm Kimberly, or Kimmi, whichever you prefer. Kimmi. Healthy Life with Kimmi on YouTube, and I have this channel here where I'm documenting my weight loss, right? And it's going amazing. Other people have decided to join me this month, and that has made it even more amazing. The support has been overwhelming, and we're losing together. We're in different parts of the world. We have been meeting every Sunday. We do have one more Sunday coming up, so if you can join us this week. But after that, we'll be meeting here on Zoom, on YouTube weekly. And you don't have to get on camera because it's on YouTube. But you can just share whatever you've been doing the week before, and we'll encourage you, and you continue to encourage me. Now, back to our tip, number 22. So, swapping out something that may be kind of on the bad side for something that might could satisfy us on the healthy side. Another one we just talked about, if you like apple pie, for example, let's have the fresh fruit and bake it in the oven, maybe with a little cinnamon. Number 2 I had was chips. I love something salty. I love chips. I love potato chips. But what I found, and I did a whole video on it, is baked Cheetos. I love baked Cheetos. Oh my God. They come in spicy also, but they're baked. And you can have like 34, I think, for 4 points on Weight Watchers. That's a nice amount of Cheetos. And I like Cheetos naturally. Some people do not. Another one is Cheez-Its that my mother-in-law mentioned. If you like Cheez-Its, those little crackers, they give you that little salty cheese taste. Those you can have quite a few of too for low points. So you might check those out. But overall, there's always a way, and I'm learning this too. One day we went to a restaurant, my mother-in-law, my husband, and a friend of mine, and some friends, and we all thought I had the hiccups a little bit. We all, me and my mother-in-law rather, we had one baked piece of fish, one fried piece of fish. That would not be my normal go-to. My normal go-to would be 2 fried pieces. I actually had an extra vegetable that day where I normally might not have had any vegetables and had all starches. So you see how I'm just making little changes? Instead of a sugar candy or ice cream, maybe try a frozen fruit bar. So I do like the whole fruit bars. They're like 4 points. Sunshine is the brand. I like those. So I keep them around the house. Now they're 4 points, so I don't always have to have one. Sometimes I'll cut me an orange, which is 0 points, versus having a fruit bar, which is 4 points. So the added sugar, you know what I mean? So you got to just kind of see. Again, berries is another option if you want that something sweet. You can have berries. So little small changes are going to add up to big differences. So again, we're just trying to get some kind of alternative for that taste bud because we want something salty. We want something sweet. It's going to happen, no doubt. But the point is to be prepared and go ahead, and now's the time to start thinking, what else can I substitute? How about air popcorn instead of something buttery, right? The movie theater. It's always an alternative. So let's think about different alternatives. Drop in the comments some different alternatives or swaps that you have made when it comes to your weight loss journey, okay? I'm just curious, what swaps have you made? So until next time, guys, sign up for the emails, healthylifewithkimmi.com. We have one more Sunday that we'll be meeting on Zoom. You can sign up again to get the Zoom link, healthylifewithkimmi.com. And I will see you soon, okay? And I'm looking forward to us to continue this journey. I have a long way to go. I don't even know what the math is, but let's just say I got a long way to go. I was going to give you some numbers, but I don't have them handy. Not even going to try it. It's too late. So anyway, again, this is day number 22, and much success to all of you. Bye.